Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today I'm going to test my yeast to see if it is still active. It's been in my refrigerator a long time. I don't remember when I put it in there, so I'm going to test it to see if it's still active. For this test, all I need is a half a cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 packet of dry yeast, or 2 1/4 teaspoons. Since I have a bulk bag, I'll measure 2 1/4 teaspoons. So the first thing, I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of sugar to my warm water. I'm going to stir it until it's dissolved. Okay, it looks dissolved. Next, I'm going to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of my yeast. I'm just going to sprinkle it in. In a few minutes, the yeast will be activated and start to foam. In about 10 minutes, it should be bubbly and have a rounded top and go to at least the 1 cup measuring line. Okay, we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes and it's starting to bubble and foam, so that's a good sign. We'll be back at the end of 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. My yeast is definitely still active. You can see it's way past the 1 cup mark and it's rounded. That's how you know your yeast is still active. And you can use this now in a recipe, but you need to use it right away. And don't forget to take out 1/2 cup of the liquid in the recipe. Okay, see you in the next lesson.